Okay, Annette, tell me more about what if a property is in a high-risk flood zone?
Okay, sure. If a property is in a high-risk flood zone, we actually give you a flood certificate as an attachment in your report, and it will tell you, so say for example, let's say that my hand is the property. This is the whole property. But this finger is where the house is, okay? So the report will show you if the whole hand is in a high-risk flood zone somewhere on there. But that flood cert is going to show you your lenders are only worried about the pinky finger is the property, right? The flood cert is going to tell you if that is in a high-risk flood zone, because if it's not, the lender doesn't really care about the she shed or the fence line. They just want to make sure that the house is not, and it could be, this goes by elevation, so it could be 100 feet higher than the rest of the property. So that's what will take it out of the high-risk flood zone that needs special flood insurance. That costs a little bit more.
Right, so even though the perimeter, the neighborhood is in the flood zone, however, because this actually happens in quite a few of the newer new constructions
Yes.
when they build. And then I think the builders are pretty smart too. When they realize the entire neighborhood is in the flood zone,
Yes.
They try to elevate the structure of
Exactly.
itself.
Yep. Sometimes I'll get people that say, well, my next door neighbor's not in a flood zone, so your report is wrong. But it's because it could just be a little bit elevated.
I have seen that, yeah.
So we can't go by the neighbors.
It's always property
specific. APN specific.
Correct.
The parcel number.
The parcel. That's good to know.
Yes.